Now that you've gotten a chance to get into your Google Gmail and you have gotten into our Google Classroom, you should have been invited to complete your first assignment, which is this Google Slides presentation called 5 Slides About Me. You should have received a copy of that in your email as well as in the Google Classroom. You simply have to go into the link and it should look something like this. What you're going to do is now create a project or a presentation that introduces yourself to your classmates. You can title it whatever you'd like to title your presentation. Make sure that you have your name there so that when we present these to one another and share them with one another, we know whose presentation it is. And then you have these 5 extra slides, Fact 1, Fact 2, Fact 3, so on and so forth. Each one of these slides needs to have one piece of information about yourself. It could be anything from what you like to eat to what you like to do, what your favorite color is, so on and so forth. So I could put something like, I really like cupcakes. Then I can go up here and insert an image into my slide. And you can see I've already done a Google search here. You simply click search at the top, type in what it is you're looking for, and it will give you a whole bunch of images to choose from. You pick whichever image you want, hit select, and it brings it up into the document for you. Now you can see this image here blocks out what I've written. So I'm simply going to right click, go down to order, and send it to the back. This makes sure that all the text that I write is up in the front. And here I can change my font that I'm writing with. I can change the size of my font. I can move around this box so that it's not over to the side. Here it's in the center. I can change, get rid of this by clicking on it and moving it away or hitting delete on the keyboard. I can highlight what I've written and change the color so that it stands out a little better. And then I can go around and just make sure that it's easily read. I'm going to do one for each of these slides so that I have a total of 5. You can even change the first slide to add a picture. You can change the background, again choosing an image. You can search for whatever it is you'd like to search for and insert it in there, whatever you feel best. Just make sure that it's colorful, make sure it gives everybody an idea for what you're like, and just make it interesting. If you have any questions, please let me know.